Gasoline Chainsaw Installation Guide, 6 Easy Steps. Install the log spike first. Align and lock into place. Place the guide bar and align the mounting holes. Fit the chain. Make sure the teeth face the right way. Align the marks and fit the side cover. Adjust the tensioner to set proper chain tightness. Tighten the fixing nuts. Then installation complete. Check fuel and oil levels before starting. Follow instructions. Stay safe. Let's test it out. Aim at wood. Cut thick logs smoothly. Professional Chainsaw, your reliable outdoor partner.